You wanna play rough? Okay. We play rough. You wanna go to war? I'll take you to war. Okay?
500 grams. In 200 milliliters of water, add 10 grams of yeast. Okay, set that to the side. Yeast is looking good. Pour the yeast in the water into your flour. Give it a mix. All right, that looks decent. Now, we gotta bring all this together. Bring it all together. Get off your fingers. We're gonna get all of this together. Start kneading it. Get it off your hands. All right. Get a bit of hand crust in there. Adds to the flavor. Always beats force crust. Make them at 105. There you go. Bring it all in like this. Bring it into the middle.
Come on, you piece of.
There you go. Put this on top and let that rise. 500 milliliters of buttermilk. Put that in. It's 2 whisked eggs, whole eggs. Put that in the buttermilk. Give that a mix. Now you get your chicken. Check these chickens. Pieces for any little bone. No bone in this piece, you put it like this. Refrigerate overnight. Now we're gonna put it in here. So 2.5 cups of flour. It's all in. Just mix it through a little bit, and I'll show you what I want to do. It's all combined now. I guarantee you that. It smells beautiful. It already smells like the fried chicken. Egg. Squeeze of honey. I don't see anything offensive, man. Yeah, I store them overnight because it's the way I roll, man.
Here's something to stick in your mouth. Some garlic dill mayo, you'll be making a competition, lay low. First of all, get 2 heads of garlic and peel them. Place the cloves in the aluminum, you can't ruin them. And hit them with some olive oil and a little salt. If you put too much, well, let your fall. Then you place them at the oven at 200. Then you bake them for 45 minutes and then you're done it. Let them cool and stick them in 150 grams of mayonnaise. 1 teaspoon of dill, it's almost better days. Put a little onion powder to mix it up, G. It's almost time to eat.